don't know. I like this option back here. I'm going to land right there. Oh, I got to watch those switches. I'm just going to put it down.
Honey, Diddy love. Give me a hug. Hi. So see you in a bit.
Yep, see you in a bit.
Stay inside the airplane, new
Yeah, brum brum, okay? Diddy love.
Want to go?
Yeah, you'll probably get there before I do. Who knows?
Yeah.
Alrighty, here we go. Oh, there's a bee. I think I've tried this angle before, but it vibrates like crazy, so I don't know that angle will work. We've got pretty stiff north winds, about 13 miles an hour, and I assume I'm going to have to get a little bit of altitude to make sure it smoothes out. Bye-bye! I want a sugar pop. Not going to take long getting off the ground. Okay, north wind. Here we go. Hopefully it's not too rough. So we're pretty much just going to go that away, right there. Oh, this isn't even bad. This is about a 45-minute flight, is what it's saying. Pretty stiff wind coming this way. Well, we'll see when we get closer. I want to stay away from these trees in case I need to do something. Oh, we got a guy waving down there. Seems like that guy's nuts. So I look at the map and then I try to memorize what it looks like. So like that tree line there is of course that. So my next thing that I'm going to be watching for is a bigger road with an S-turn in it. Or not really S-turn. Yeah, I'll get there sooner than I thought. Yeah, I'm going a whole lot faster than I thought. I only got 14 miles, but it says 30 minutes to go 14 miles. That's not good. I mean, it's okay, but it's not great. Not like a real airplane. I guess this is a real airplane, just not certified airplane. That doesn't make sense either. It doesn't have to be a certified airplane. What do you think of all my new nice shiny tubes? I don't like this. This looks a little swampy. I think I like going up there a little better. Again, just in case. I'd rather go in somebody's backyard than I would in that swamp. I don't know how many alligators are out there. Those are tomato fields down there. All kinds of tomatoes. I wonder if my wife went through here already. I'd assume. Ooh, now I'm fucking going with the wind. Just gotta follow this, well, I thought it was a road, cow path. Gotta follow this cow path straight down that way. And then there's a road that comes up. Well, you can probably see it. It's straight out there. That road comes up, turns, and then there's another road that's gonna meet like that. Then we're kinda in the area where we need to be. That right there, that is stuff I don't want to go in. I don't know if alligators live in that or not, but I would assume if I were an alligator, that's where I'd want to be. Okay, so that's the road. Wonder if Karen's back here already. So this road will come back and turn right here. And there. We made it. Right there by that pond. That's not even bad. Hey. Oh no. The only thing with going down there is once I go down, it's longer that way. I was asking him about the field back here. He said some of that grass is like waist high. I think we're staying like down in there somewhere. Oh, whew. Hi, sun. Sun feels a whole lot better. Airlines are over here. The wind is right. I just don't know. Once I turn, I go right that direction. Just like such. It's only like 300 feet long. I like that option. That grass would help me slow down. And taller grass would definitely help me slow down. There's a fence over here. If this wind wasn't quite so choppy, would also be good. I don't know. I like this option back here. I like that option better. Yeah, that wind's strong. I like that. I like that option better. I wonder if Karen showed up already. Climb up here. I don't know if Karen came through here yet or not. Okay, I think that's her right there. Yeah, this wind is just, I don't know. Wish it wouldn't be so gusty. Make things a whole lot easier. I mean, I'm barely moving across the ground. She went up the wrong driveway. Dude, is that an alligator? What? I think I just spotted a big gator. That is a huge gator. What? Gator. Size of Texas. I don't know what Karen's doing or where she's at. She doesn't know where to go. I'm gonna land right there. Oh, I gotta watch those bushes. Yeah, Karen's confused of where she needs to go. So I'm just gonna put it down. That's exactly where I was thinking of landing. I'm not sure which one we're staying in. Well, there you have it. flew to our Airbnb. You were lost. You were lost. Hello.
Hey.
Are you Dennis?
I am.
Okay.
Good.
I'm Mike.
Glad to meet you.
Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was one of the coolest things I've done in a while. So we're gonna hang out here at our Airbnb. We didn't get it through Airbnb. It's called Hip Camp, I think. So we're gonna just hang out here for 3 nights, and then I'm not sure where we're gonna end up. But hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, hit the like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and also check out ultralightAirplaneDriver.com. You can get some apparel there. It helps out the channel some. So I appreciate it. We will see you next time.